Hi guys, Adrian from Tradeology again. Welcome back. And in the next series of educational short videos, I'm going to be covering some common Forex terms today. And what we'll cover in this particular video is technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and what is a speculator or investor. Technical analysis. Technical analysis includes 95% of all traders. It involves analyzing charts to determine exact entry and exit points when trading. It usually involves the use of standard and custom indicators, line drawing tools, price action, support and resistance areas, and candlestick patterns. These charts, by the way, could normally be found on a common platform such as MetaTrader 4 or MT4, which most brokers support. The focus is on the charts. Trading decisions are based on the outcomes of the chart analysis. Nearly all small time frame traders are technical traders because trading the daily time frame or less means traders rely heavily on their chart to help make trading decisions. And we'll cover more about some of these terms in future videos. Let's move on to fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis basically makes up about, or all traders make up about 5% of fundamental traders or traders that trade using fundamental analysis. Traders that practice fundamental analysis rely heavily on current events to aid in making decisions on what trade positions to take. This usually involves looking at geopolitical news, potential natural disasters, shortages of natural resources, and other non-chart related topics to determine the strength or weakness of a country's currency. This type of trading tends to be a lot slower, and traders who trade this way often hold on to their positions for a longer period of time. Trades can usually remain open for weeks or months at a time. A speculator is a short-term trader. Is a scalper, or a person who trades for just a few minutes. Could be a day trader who trades inside of a trading session. A swing trader who could trade up to a week on some positions, or a position trader who trades between a week to a month and lets his trades run for that period. An investor is involved with long-term trades. They trade at least for a month to several years. That concludes this short video. Looking forward to speaking to you on the next one. Thanks, guys.